without this local host URL, they run successfully in our previous video, which is the part 1. I will add the link below. Welcome to ABAnuSara blog. And this is the practice I'm doing. It's an interview question by the HRs. So I thought I should add it before there were some clearance. And they asked like, write simple root and express JS that response RES is the main thing here. Response and with hello world while accessed via get request. REQ is request and RES is the response to the hello slash hello. And I did that, which I shared about it in my part 1 video. This is the part 2 video, and you will find the link in the description also. And this one is called the root listens for get request to slash hello after the local. Example, as I said, the local host and ratio to 3002, right? I mentioned. After that, we add this hello thing as the URL. This is the example I will share, as I mentioned. And another thing, what is the purpose of React web development? React web development is a Java library and it is a front-end tool. It used for building user interface. You know UI UX, right? That thing, particularly single page applications. It allows developers to create reusable UI components that efficiently update, recent update, and render when the data changes, resulting in a responsive dynamic user experience. As it is a front-end tool, development only. It will show the web with the design instead of the previous video, which I only shared about the text output without the URL. In this section, this will mention how to use the URL using this reactjs. I'm not saying about React Native. reactjs is different and React Native is different. Okay, they are asked about this components also, which I forgot to highlight. Different components of state and probes. State represents the component's internal data. Internal means inside the data, like that changes over time. It managed within the components. Props is the short for properties. See, this PROPS is called properties that are for external, outer side values passed to the component from the parent, which can read only used to configure the component. Like that they explained here. Okay, in the down, they mentioned write a simple function components in React that displays welcome to MERN. M means MongoDB, E means Express, R means React, N means Node.js. And I will share these things here after installing. Okay, for installing this, I will use the another tool named, I will do like this. Google search is better than nothing. Wheat React app. Because wheat react is low percentage than the real wheat react. Example, this is the original thing, but I use read thing because this thing is containing high storage space in my PC. So instead, I use this wheat thing here. It is taking less storage in my PC. In the original of this tool, where we go for this learn thing and quickly install thing, like that, I will go there. For using it, this is the latest version, which called NPX is another version, and NPM is also a version. Okay, in this week we will see how to install it. Okay, I'm going to use this React thing here. So for that, I have to install this tool and go here, and I have to name something like Sam P Sam RECT party. Okay, Sam party It will ask one thing, yes. I will say yes here, and it asked me to select. Other versions are also downloaded via this tool, which is mentioned in that place also. See, these are the things that can be installed here as examples, as a templates. If you know them, you can install. And I'm going to choose this React thing. Okay. As I don't have any experience in TypeScript, I'm going to use JavaScript. And it installed. Wow. Right? Nice. And for this, they are giving the steps here. Now run. They mentioned cd smrt. I went inside that samrt folder, which is here, and it's asking me to create npm install. If you want, you can install another tool also. It's loading. After that, it will take some times to install. Okay, let's wait. They were installed here. First thing here, we are going to run this in the web. So when we click this link, it will automatically open the VS Code. It will say the count that we used to test here via this ABASJS. For reactjs, mostly they use this JSX as their reactjs, but in TypeScript they use TS as a file last name. So in here we will do thing like the one two will leave it the one two, and we will see that app thing index or thing here. The SRC and APS are here. These are these tools that have the URLs for the logo and the page you saw, right? This thing is monitored here. Okay, we are going to change this page. For that, we are going to back to the page I created, which is this one. So let's do this thing here. We are going to copy this code and delete them. Okay, they are saying we need this app and main things like this here. And to your surprise, we are not going to use them, unfortunately. Okay. Mm, we are going to delete some tools. Example app thing will be deleted to use this thing here. And index page, I don't know, main will be there. We can find whether they are updated here. Okay, let's do. Okay, this thing is working here, Mango store. I will recreate it for you. Like return, which okay, I will do in different method instead of doing like this. Wow, it worked. Okay, I will save this one here and go for the page where I. Okay, as I wrote, it automatically came. This is the front end that I mentioned so far. And if to your surprise, it working. Beautiful, right? For another function, I will add for you your kind information to do additional data. Um, like I think it won't work. Okay, this thing is for React and the previous video is for Node.js. So this one will be the part 2 video and let's go to the main pages. Like how do you handle the button check click event in the React component? You can handle the button click event React on click event using the on click event handler button. They mentioned here like the function app and export app like that they mentioned. But instead of using the function app export app, I'm only going to click this one here and adding it inside below, I think. Okay. Um, maybe the return won't work for me. I will do like this instead. Okay. I will do this thing. And when I go here, This click me is viewing, but not this thing I mentioned. Okay. If I want to write with that also, I need to create a new thing. Example, I copy and paste it to the main page where this thing will be shown from the main point. Hmm, Example, this one is here means I will do this thing here and go to find this page where I find it. Okay, this one I will remove because we didn't use the written thing, so we don't need to use it. Okay, this thing I added in the main JSX, which is connected with index HTML in reactjs. Okay, so the title I will say welcome. Okay, in the URL page also it will change like welcome thing here, and if I click it, the button is clicked like that, it will show. So it's normal. Okay, another questions they are asking. This will I will share it in the next part 3 video. You can watch. Thank you.